guys, welcome back to Sal's channel. Today you guys are going to help me pack my pencil case. So first of all, we are going to do a like and subscribe button challenge. So I want you guys to click the like and subscribe button with your nose in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's actually get started. So I'm really excited to go back to school after the pandemic. I never thought I'd be saying this, but I actually miss school. I miss all my friends and I can't wait to see them back again. So I'm going to give you guys a choice of 3 pencil cases and I'm going to pick which one I like the most and then you can do it as well. So the first one is this one. I really like this one. It has liquid glitter inside of it so you can just fiddle about with it. And it's really fun. And it has this cute Smiggle keyring on it which says be kind. The next one is this one. This one's really modern and it's full of colours. It's the pop-up one and it says smile here. So this button makes the sharpener pop up, and once you've sharpened it to this hole, you can open it and then you can tip all the rubbish out and you push it back in again so it doesn't waste any space. The next one is a calculator. You can use this in class to be super sneaky. And then this one, nobody basically knows what it does because it's so secret. So you click this and it's in here. I've just put my paper clips in here and then you can put it in and you can't even see it. The next one is this button and when you click it, it goes bing. So you can put all your pencils in here. It has space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has space for 5 pencils and you can push it back in or you can just open it up to do this. So I prefer pushing the button. So on the back it has this. I put in this super cute cycling paper clip and it's very helpful. So I put this in. And then last but not least, it's this one. I've already put some stuff inside of it, so I'll show you guys. You open it with the zip, and then it looks like this inside. I like ordering in rainbow order, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then I didn't have purple or pink, so I just put black. And these are actually Centos, and they smell super good. So this one's strawberry. You can really smell it. And these are actually crayons, so you twist them on the end and then you can just colour with them. Orange? It's not that strong. I don't know what this is. It's probably orange, yeah. Lemon, definitely lemon. What do you think this one is? Green? I don't know. Green apple. This one. Ooh, I'm excited to find out what this one is. Blueberries! I love blueberries! Next of all, these are my highlighters. I have 6 colours and they're So Crafty brand and these are so bright. Here they are. I'll be showing you guys some other highlighters so you can decide which one you like the most. I have loads of gel pens which are right here and I've tried to get them in rainbow order. So these are like metallic ones and then this one is like a super shiny one. These are just like normal ones. So it has 2 pockets, one here and one there, and then in here it's like a zip and then you put stuff in it. I put my spare coloring pencils in here. So okay, time to reveal which one I like the best. So let me have a think. Okay, this was so hard, but I'm gonna go with this one because it's really shiny and pink, which is my favorite color. And I love this keychain on it. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to decide things and I'm going to put them in here, right here. So first of all, we're going to start with pens. I have loads of pens, so it's really hard to decide which one I want. This one is the Smiggle one. It has loads of colours and it's super cute as well. And it's pink. Next one is this one. It has like a really good tip, which makes your handwriting super neat. And then it's another one like that. It makes his handwriting neat as well, so it's kind of hard to choose. Here. And then I love these pens. They have like 4 colors on them, so it's really good. Blue for writing. Some people write in black. Green is what teachers use for marking, and red is what we use for editing. So it's really good. You do this, and yeah, it's really shiny. And then, ooh, I like this one. This one's an erasable one. So you write. Oh wow, this is hard to open. Okay. Don't know why they do this so hard. Yay! Success. So this one is for writing, and you tick and then the other side here is for erasing. So this is super helpful if you make a lot of mistakes and you're like me. So let's choose which one I like the best. So, oh, I really want to choose a pink smiggle one because it has loads of colours and super cute. Ooh. Okay, I can't choose one, so I'm going to pick 2. So one is a smiggle pen, and 2, it has to be the erasable one. So I'm going to put these in my pencil case. Okay, now we're going to pick the pencil. I don't really write in pencil that much because I have a pen license, which means I can write in pen. So we use pencils for drawing margins in our maths books, and it's really annoying. We get margins in our English book, so I don't know why we get them in maths. It's really annoying. The first one is a pencil which has like 2 rubbers. One's fallen out for some reason, but then it has like this ping pong thing. So you're meant to scrunch your papers to write messages and fling them across the classroom, and you put them in here and they go ping, and off it goes. I like this. You can send messages with this. It's a little bit heavy though, so I'm having second thoughts. This one is a super glittery one, and it has pencil grip, so your hands don't hurt if you're writing for a long time. Then, oh, it feels amazing. It's like really fuzzy. But green, I don't really like green, so yeah. This one is a mechanical pencil, and it has a grip which is super soft. Then it's another mechanical pencil, but it looks much nicer. And you click it again, same thing. And I think I like this model compared to it. It's much thicker. And then the grip is much more grippier. So, let me choose. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to go with this one. I love sending messages, and this will make it much easier. So, let's put this in my pencil case. Oh no, this is too big for a pencil case. Sad. So I have to pick another one, and it has to be this one. Because it's just super easy, and the lid hardly breaks on this one. Next one. Next up, we have highlighters. I have 2 sets. And let's see which one's my favourite. These ones are liquid ink ones. They look really cool. The first set is right here. So this consists of 4 highlighters. Each of them have like yellow ink at the bottom and then different coloured inks here. They look really good. And they have like this block around the middle so they don't get mixed and go. I have this purple one because these don't come in purple, so there. Next ones are the erasable ones. I love erasable ones because if you make mistakes, you can rub them off super easily, and that happens a lot because you don't know which part you want to underline in class when you're trying to mark out the best bits of your work. Okay, so I'm going to get a little paper right here, and I'm going to write and then erase them to prove them that they're erasable. So here, I'll just do like a line. And then on the other side, you open it and wow. I actually didn't think they would work, but yeah, they're really nice. Next up, we have 2 options for rulers. So one of them is just a boring 50 centimeter one, but one of them is the ruler. No, it's a foldable ruler. So it's blue and has this clip thing, so it folds properly. And we use these rulers for drawing margins in our maths books. First time I opened them, I thought they actually broke because of the loud click noise that comes. So yeah, I'm going to choose this one, obviously, because this one's just a boring one. And it's kind of hard to draw margins in this one, because you have to draw a line and then move it, and sometimes they don't line up. So put them in here. Next up, I'll be showing you guys my colouring pencils. So we use these for colouring in golden time, which is basically just like times which we don't study. On Fridays we get an hour, but if we're like bad or don't listen or something, we get the golden time decreased, so it's really annoying and hard. So these are the colouring pencils. I like them to be super sharp and they look really nice as well. But I have these really special ones which I'm getting right now, and these are like metallic ones and they're so good. I have gold, silver, bronze and blue. I had a green but I've lost it, so yeah. And then I have these pencils. I have a lot of them, but I decided to only show one. So one of them has one colour, another one has another colour. And then there are like these funny things on them. So one says smug and another says poo, and they're related to the colour most of the time. Then we're going to go for a new rubber or an old-fashioned one. So I wrote yes and no on this to be like a yes-no rubber. So you ask a question and you throw this rubber, and whichever it lands on, that's the answer to the question. But you have to make sure it's like yes or no question. So obviously I'll be choosing this one. It's much more modern and much easier. It's like a pencil, but then you just rub it out instead. So I'm going to put this in here. Next up comes the whiteboard markers. I have two brands. They're the same brand, but they're just different colours. We use whiteboard markers on whiteboards, so because sometimes we don't want to do too much work in our books. So children like writing with these, so the teacher decides to make us write on whiteboards and then like show the answer, and it's much more fun than writing books. So I have black, green and red. I prefer this one because it suits your hand much more. It feels like a pencil when you're writing. But these are much more colourful, even though they're like thicker and hard to grip and they're really slippy. So this is a hard decision. I'm probably going to go for two. One red one and one of the grippy ones. So let's put them in here. And then last of all, you need a glue. And this one I really like because it's black and it looks like there's loads of equations on here, and it makes it look super clever. And then I put this in here. And then I really think you need to go and get this because it's really good value. It costs about £6 in Tesco, and it comes in two designs. So it's a strawberry one which I got, and an orange one which I really wanted to get, but I thought this was much better. So all you have to do is get this, open it, and then let me find it. Okay, open it and then find a pencil which is sharp, which is this one. You press this button and it goes in, but you have to press the button or it won't go in, and you just spin it around. It's like really easy and the lead never breaks. So this is super reliable and quite easy. See, it's done already. And once it's done, you'll know because you just go loose. And then once you open it, oh my goodness, that is really sharp. If you want to get rid of it, I haven't emptied this in like a year or something. So it's kind of hard because it's like all jammed up. Whoa, explosion. Okay. So here, this pencil sharpener sharpens differently because they're like much smaller than the other ones. This is my new backpack. It's really nice and has a lot of colours and designs. I really like this one because it has lots of compartments to it. So when you look inside, there's like two zips and they look really good and they're easy to open. So like turquoise in here. There's one pocket right in here, and then there's a big one there and a little zippable one right here. So then once you close this, you can open like this one right here, And you just put in like your mini lipstick or something like that in here, which is small. And then last of all, I'll be showing you guys my lunchbox. So this one has a keyring exactly like this one, and they actually match, which is why I really like it. And it has reversible sequins, which I love. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out all my other videos, which include gymnastics, art, and some other really good stuff. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!